To add these two rational expressions together, we're going to need to express them both using a common denominator. So the first thing that we're going to have to recognize is, what is our lowest common denominator going to be? That denominator has to have a factor of r and a factor of r plus 3. So that LCD is going to be r times r plus 3. So what we will do is we'll add these two fractions vertically. And again, we're going to multiply the fraction by another fraction to equal a third fraction with our common denominator, which we said is going to be r times r plus 3. What do we have to multiply r plus 3 by to get r times r plus 3? Well, we multiplied it by r, so it's really just r over r. What do we have to multiply r by to get r times r plus 3? Well, we had to multiply it by r plus 3. So this is where we're going to have to put the entire binomial. Again, each of these fractions that we're multiplying by equal to 1. Now we need to re-express 5 over r in terms of a denominator of r times r plus 3. So we have to distribute 5 times r plus 3. So it's really going to be 5r plus 15. Again, you need to distribute both here. Here we just have 9 times r and it's positive, so plus 9r. So now we can rewrite this whole thing as 5r plus 15 plus 9r all over the common denominator of r times r plus 3. Now if I add these two together, 9r plus 5r, 9 plus 5 is 14. So that is 14r plus 15 divided by r times r plus 3. And that is the common denominator. That's the only way that I can now show this. So I am finished here. The first part again was to identify the LCD, re-express this sum of two rational expressions vertically, realizing that I'm going to have to multiply by the opposite factor in order to get my common denominator. Then I will regroup all the numerators together, simplify, and then see if I can factor anything out. If I can't, then I know I'm finished.